Yo, what's up guys, TommieReps here, back at it again with another video. Today we have a new pair from our friends over at poshkicks.cc. Shout out to them because they've sent me a lot of pairs. Let's get straight into the unboxing. As you guys can see, we are greeted with a great box. This is very cool with the Japanese text. These are the MMY sneakers. As you guys can see, the sole looks like it's melted in the microwave. But I really like it. It's very cool and original. This is a Japanese brand and it's very cool because they all have designs like this with the molded sole. I did already wear these and these are very sturdy, not too comfy, but still amazing. I recommend you guys all buy these in the link in my description. Make sure to check out poshkicks.cc in my description, as well as use code Tommy for $15 off. As well as don't forget to like and subscribe. I do also have 2 hauls on the way, one from Hubai and one from Sugar Goo, so I'll be posting those videos whenever I get these. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.